Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information from 6 different off-campus hirings. Now, none of these have any last date to apply. Okay, so those are eligible and willing. Please apply, immediately. And sometimes, I hesitate to put out this information because sometimes even by the time I upload the information, some of the links expire and so on. Okay, so those are eligible and willing. You can apply for this immediately. So whatever information I have, I'll share. So first I'll start with Renault Nissan. So Renault Nissan is hiring graduate engineer trainee. The salary is 4.25 lakhs per annum to 4.75 lakhs, and the job location is Chennai. And so year of passing 2022 eligible. The BE BTech, Computer Science, IT, EEE, ECE, E&I and Instrumentation and Control. These branches are eligible. Minimum 70% aggregate in UG. No standing backlogs, and there is a bond of 3 years. Okay, and the job responsibilities that are given are the skills required like designing, coding, testing and debugging applications in a distributed environment. Interact with designers, architects and other developers to analyze the requirement and possible solution options and so on. Okay, so also like documenting component and programming decisions of components owned using collaborative tools, etc. And they've also given like roles and responsibilities like develop software code in joint application development sessions, get the code audited regularly for quality and clarity of code, create unit test cases and perform unit testing, etc. So these are the information given. Right, so link to apply is given in the description below for all the 6 hirings. Okay, so you can click on the respective link, and if you're interested whichever hiring you want and you are eligible, like you can apply. The second hiring, probably you might have come across this Cineverse hiring of software analyst, because the salary is 9 lakhs. Okay, so and the job location is Bangalore, Hyderabad. And so for this 2020 and 2021 passed out eligible. BE BTech, they have not mentioned any specialization. Okay, so BE BTech eligible, PG MSc Computer Science eligible, MCA eligible, and requirements they have given us strong Java programming skills with a sound understanding of OOPS and data structures, a good understanding of Unix, shell scripting, RDBMS concepts, PLSQL, a desire to learn new skills, domains and practices. Okay, so you might also have familiarity with web framework, RESTful APIs, NoSQL DB, etc. is given. Okay, and of course Hadoop and all that is given. And the third hiring is Sasken, associate software engineer. Even few weeks back I had put out similar information from Sasken. Here the salary offered is 4.5 lakhs per annum, but please remember there is a service agreement. There is a bond like 5 lakh worth bond. Okay, that you have to sign for a duration of 3 years, and the work location is Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata and Pune, and there is a training period. It can be from 3 months to 6 months, and eligibility criteria 65% in 10th, 12th and graduation. And graduation, like what are the degrees that are eligible? BE BTech Computer Science, IT, IS, ECE eligible, MCA with BCA, BSc Computer Science, BSc IT background eligible, MSc Computer Science with BCA, BSc Computer Science, BSc IT background eligible, ME, MTech Computer Science or ECE related areas are eligible. Okay, and so here technical skills required are C, C++ or Java. Programming skills required is C, C++, Java along with data structures and algorithms. And the selection process, they'll ask questions in programming languages skills, okay, like C, C++, Java. Apart from that, the regular aptitude, reasoning, English verbal communication test will be there. Then those who qualify that will have the technical interview and then the HR interview, right? And except for Renault Nissan, all the other hirings are like immediate requirements. Okay, it will be like immediate joining. And the next hiring is software engineering hiring by Microchip. Recently I have put out this information in the our web page. Okay, so salary offered, usually like they offer, even in the campus they offer about like 6 lakhs per annum. Microchip offers 6 lakhs per annum, though here they have not mentioned. Okay, the work location is Chennai, ECE, CSE, EEE eligible. And so good programming and debugging skills, exposure to embedded systems, basic understanding of 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit microcontrollers, hands-on programming using C, C++, Python. So these are the requirements given. And responsibilities, development of customer-centric solutions and product that involves development of firmware and drivers. Okay, so all that is given. So if you are basically good with data, digital systems and microprocessors and so on, okay, you can definitely apply for this. Another hiring is DXC Technology. Now this is actually for the BSc graduates. Actually there are two hiring, like that is happening. One is this hiring. This is for BSc IT Computer Science, BCA, BSc Mathematics, Physics and Chemistry. 55% is the requirement. Okay, now this is the role is Senior Assistant Service Delivery Coordinator. The salary is 2.6 lakhs per annum. There could also be night shift, and if in case there is a night shift, there is a night shift allowance as well. Right, and there is another hiring for which any non-engineering graduate is eligible. Okay, so that link also, that because that I have already made an announcement in the channel, so that link also. So as far as DXC is concerned, I have provided two links. One is the Senior Assistant Service Delivery Coordinator, for which the mentioned branches are eligible, and then another hiring wherein for that also 2.6 lakhs per annum is a salary. For that any non-engineering batch is eligible. Okay, so both the links I have given. So work location for this is Bangalore, Chennai, Noida, Gurgaon and Hyderabad. These are the work locations. Okay, and responsibilities. So basically this is like a tech support, a kind of a role. Okay, so assist in gathering the required information to handle customer software technical queries, troubleshooting and problem solving of end user issues. Right, so collaborate with technical support team members to properly manage customer inquiries and escalate when appropriate, and so on is given in the responsibilities. So the link is given. You can just clearly go through that clearly. So flexible to work 24/7, work experience, like 0 to 1 years, good written and spoken English. Okay, so these are the requirements. IBM, this associate system engineer, I had recently put this out. Okay, like I think probably in somewhere in November I had put this out. Okay, so but the same hiring, same link is again like that's link is like open. So associate system engineer is the role. Location is Bangalore, and the eligibility BE, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech. I'll give you the department, the streams: CSE, IT, IS, software engineering, ECE, EEE, applied electronics and instrumentation, electrical engineering, E&I, telecommunication engineering, electronics engineering, E&I, instrumentation and control and instrumentation. So these branches are eligible. Okay, so whatever these branches in BE, BTech or ME, MTech eligible for this. Okay, and so responsibilities like defining, analyzing and reviewing technical architecture on required platform, and coming up with architectural options and recommendations, etc. is given. Okay, so design, develop and or re-engineer application components with and integrate software packages, programs and reusable objects residing on multiple platforms, etc. is given. And then technical and professional expertise. Okay, so they mentioned about environment, communication, negotiation and problem solving. Okay, so these are the requirements that are given. You can go through all this and then apply. So link to apply, and as far as IBM is concerned, usually they pay like 4 lakh plus you can expect as the salary. Okay, so 4 lakh plus you can expect as the salary. So link to apply for all these 6 hirings are given in the I clearly labeled it. Okay, so whatever like whichever you are eligible, please do apply, and some of them are not like direct pages, right? So actually the Renault, Nissan and another hiring. Okay, so Cineverse, I guess. Okay, so they are all, for that you have to apply via First Naukri. Okay, and then Sasken you have to apply via a LinkedIn page. That's where I found this. Okay, for as far as others are and for DXC you have to apply through HirePro, and Microchip is like their direct career page, etc. So whatever a link given. So whatever you're interested, please do apply accordingly. And if you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.